Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another cooking video, and today I'll be making some Carolina Gold baby back ribs. I'll be cooking these low and slow in the oven, so stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using is 1 baby back rib, which is about 3 to 4 pounds, 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard, half a tablespoon of garlic as well as onion powder, 1/4 tablespoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of the Carolina Gold honey seasoning blend, salt and pepper to taste, as well as the Duke's Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. This seasoning blend have 4 different flavors. It have the Carolina Golden Honey, Texas Smoke Shack, Nashville Hot Chicken, as well as the Kansas City Sweet Heat. I did purchase this from Aldi's. To clean the rib, I did remove the white membrane. I cut it in half to make it easier to manage. I did clean it with some salt as well as lime, and then rinsed it under cool water and pat it dry with a paper towel. To marinate the rib, I'm going to apply the yellow mustard to both sides. I'm going to use salt and pepper. I used about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of each because the Carolina Gold honey seasoning does have other ingredients added to it. After adding the salt and black pepper, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the Carolina Gold honey seasoning blend. I'm going to add the garlic powder, onion powder, as well as red pepper flakes. I'm going to make sure that I season both sides. I allowed this to marinate for 1 hour in the fridge. Before placing it in the oven, I did allow it to get back to room temperature. After marinating for 1 hour in the fridge, and I allow it to get back to room temperature, I did preheat my oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to place the ribs in the oven. As you can see, I did line a baking sheet with aluminum foil. That's to help with cleanup. I placed the ribs in the oven that has been preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cook the ribs uncovered for 1 hour and 30 minutes. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, I'm going to remove the ribs and place some of the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, and then I'll place it back in the oven for another 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is the ribs after a total of 3 hours in the oven on 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I removed it from the oven. I'm going to turn the temperature up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to flip the ribs over to the meaty side. I'm going to add a little bit more of the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce, and I'll place it in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now here is the finished product of the Carolina Gold baby back ribs that was cooked low and slow in the oven. I want to take this time out to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you've made it this far into the video and you have not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget, you can share these videos with your friends and family to help the channel grow. Once again, thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.